What's up, guys? Welcome back into the channel. If you are new, thank you for stopping in today. So we have my girlfriend Shaylin, wave to the camera, and my dad's Jeep here. So Dad bought this probably 2 years ago. It is a 99 TJ. It's got the 6-cylinder in it with like 140 something thousand miles, 148, 150, somewhere in there. I'll show you real quick. Let me grab the key. Oh, sorry, 156 now. It had like 150 when we got it. So 156,000 miles, and it's still got the factory, I'll call them baby wheels, 235/75 15s. So I believe that's like a 28-inch, 29-inch overall height, somewhere in there. So we're actually gonna be changing these because it just looks really not attractive with those on there. Really kind of grandpa-fied. We went ahead and raptor lined the flares, the front bumper, and stuff like that to kind of dress it up a little bit. The guy that had it before him basically used it as a daily driver, so it is a really nice Jeep, really good shape. Got a small oil leak that kind of drips, I mean about a quarter-size spot when it sits. Dad went ahead and threw a new cover on, but Shaylin and I went and picked up some new wheels for it. They are 32 1150 17s, I believe they are 17s. This is what they look like. It's rolling away, but we are actually going to be mounting, hold that right there real quick, those up to it. So we're actually going to go ahead and get this started. Shaylin's going to grab the jack, get this thing lifted up in the air. Lug nuts broke free. We actually have all 5. There's 4 over there, 5th one there, so we'll be changing the spare on the back, and then we'll probably end up selling these ones. These actually have some good rubber on it left. Make somebody a good winter set of wheels or a roller or something along those lines. But we're gonna go ahead and jump right in to this, get those broke free, and get these things swapped over. Well guys, Shaylin got the front one put on both sides. We kind of like reverse tooted the Jeep into the little hand clap here. I mean, you can tell that's a huge difference. My only fear is in the back. I think we're gonna have like yay much room, but the fender does sit up in there a lot further than what the flare does. The flare actually drops down. I think the fender stops right in here, and obviously the flare drops. But I guess we'll find out when we get these other ones thrown on. Kind of a pain in the butt because we have to use, it's a 13/16 socket, but I can't use an actual lug nut or impact socket, excuse me, because that hole is really small and I can't get it on there. So we have to use a chrome socket. I know, rebel. But no, we're gonna go ahead and get those broke free, get the other ones tossed on the back, and we're gonna see what this thing looks like. Well guys, we just finished up. I wanna give a shout out to my girlfriend who's playing on her phone right there for helping me. She did the front two, I did the spare and then the passenger side. So here it is. Definitely has more of a gap back here on the rear of it. I was expecting it to be closer, like I said, but no, it looks pretty good. I think if you throw a 2-inch spacer on that spring in there, front and rear, just to kind of bring it up just a little bit, because that front's kind of close, I think it'd look better. Throw some new shocks and stuff on it. But it's my dad's Jeep. Throw kayaks and stuff on it. It's basically his weekend cruiser or whatever to have fun in. But it definitely gives it a little bit more of a stance. If you look back here, got that nice tire poke going on both sides. So, but yeah, 2 inches I think help a bunch. Throw those shocks on the back, especially with the stance, and I think he's gonna run these tires till the end of summer and then eventually throw on some new ones for winter. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. Pretty simple process. But like I said, it's just a little cruise around Jeep. He wanted to dress it up a little bit, so he got these for 350 bucks. Can't complain for that price. So let me know what you guys think of it. Again, shout out to my girlfriend for helping me on this. But that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Remember, learning as I do, doing I love. I'm the GM man. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.